Hey, what's up guys, this is Victor from Simple Hack TV. So today I'm going to show you guys how you can actually transform your Android UI into that of an iPhone UI. So what you just have to do, you just have to go over to the menu section, and from here you search for Play Store, go on Google Store, and from here you search for iOS launcher, which is over here. So when you search for it, you'll see all of this. So the one we're going to use here is this particular one. So you click on iOS launcher. As you can see, I've already downloaded this on my device, so I'm going to look for it at the menu section. So I just have to go back, and then I click on this menu section. I look for iOS launcher, so it's right here. So when you click on it, it asks you to set it as your default launcher your device. So I click on that, and then I select it here. So oh wow, as you can see, I have my Android phone displaying like that of an iPhone. You can see it over here. So it got the display very well, and yeah, I think I also have an app store over here. Wow, looks great, right? So this is how you can actually transform your Android phone UI into that of an iPhone UI. If you enjoyed this video, I would love you to subscribe, and also if you want to see more content I produce later, you can just click on the notification bell. Thanks for watching, and do have a nice day.